Welcome, music enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey through the rich history of Jamaica's iconic reggae music. Reggae, a genre that transcends borders, has a captivating origin story deeply rooted in the vibrant culture of Jamaica. To understand its birth, we must first immerse ourselves in the rich cultural tapestry of Jamaica. The island's vibrant history, diverse population, and the struggles faced by its people all played a significant role in shaping this iconic genre. Reggae's journey began in the late 1950s, with the emergence of ska. This upbeat, syncopated style, characterized by its brass section, set the foundation for what was to come. As the 1960s rolled in, ska evolved into rocksteady, a slower, more soulful sound. The lyrics of these early songs often touched upon social and political themes, reflecting the realities of the time. In the late 1960s, reggae as we know it today took shape. Trench Town, a neighborhood in Kingston, became the epicenter of this musical revolution. It was here that legendary artists like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Bunny Wailer honed their craft. The music they created was a fusion of various influences, including African rhythms, American jazz, and the melodic traditions of Jamaica's folk music. No discussion about reggae is complete without mentioning the indelible mark left by Bob Marley. With his soul-stirring lyrics, powerful stage presence, and unwavering commitment to social justice, Marley became the face of the genre. His album, Exodus, in 1977 brought reggae to an international audience, cementing its place in the global music scene. Examples of iconic reggae tracks: No Woman, No Cry, a timeless classic by Bob Marley, offering a glimpse into the soulful and emotive nature of reggae. Get Up, Stand Up, co-written by Marley and Peter Tosh, this anthem reflects reggae's commitment to social activism. Three Little Birds, a feel-good masterpiece encouraging listeners to embrace positivity, another gem from the Bob Marley catalog. Reggae is more than just music, it's a cultural force. Rooted in the principles of Rastafarianism, it carries a message of unity, spirituality, and resistance. The distinctive reggae beat, often referred to as the one-drop rhythm, has a hypnotic quality that transcends language barriers, making it universally appealing. Explore the evolution of reggae beyond Marley, with influential artists like Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer contributing to the genre's growth. Discuss the impact of reggae's fusion with other genres, such as dub and dancehall, showcasing its versatility and adaptability. With its faster tempo and electronic elements, emerged in the 1980s and gained widespread popularity. Today, artists like Chronix, Protégé, and Coffee are pushing the boundaries of the genre, infusing it with elements of hip-hop, R&B, and even EDM. As we conclude our journey, it's evident that reggae music is not just a genre. It's a cultural movement that continues to inspire and unite people worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey today. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more exciting adventures. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and make each moment unforgettable. Safe travels, and we'll catch you in the next